Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Look at this guy, Devin Morris. Guys, you gotta join our Facebook group, I'm telling you. Link below, join our group. Devin Morrison from our Facebook group said, "While I have a week off from work, I took my talent to the street of Austin, Texas." He drives a Tesla 2022 Model 3. He's not even a normal Uber driver. He works a normal job, and he just drove Uber for a week and made over $2,000. You wanna check it out?
Yeah, so
Let's look at the breakdown, guys.
he worked every single day, 67 hours online. So what is that? That's like an average of like 8, not 8.
Nine and a half a day, almost 10 hours a day.
Yeah, that's a lot.
That's 7, let's say you start at 5 a.m. 5 a.m. to, what do you say, 7 hours a day?
Almost 10.
5
Like,
a.m.
almost 10 hours a day.
5 a.m. to noon. But no days off.
Yeah.
And think about the online, like the time he's waiting in between rides too. He's basically doing 8 hours a day, not maybe 9 hours a day, 10 hours a day for 7 days a week. So, and then these are all the booked hours, guys. So Uber loves to just say, oh no, online time is 67 hours. Okay, sorry, I was wrong there. Online time total is 67 hours. So yeah, I mean, that's honestly not horrible.
He had a $500 day.
He got made 531 bucks in a day.
That's crazy.
Yeah, he's driving a Tesla. It's a Model 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that one qualifies for Uber Comfort. So does it qualify for Uber Select? I can't remember.
I don't know, since it's brand new.
Tesla Model 3, Uber car qualification.
It counts for Uber Green, which you get paid an extra $1 per ride.
That is true. Let's look at LA real quick.
An extra $145 if he did that, because he did 145 trips.
Yeah, that's true. How do you see the eligible vehicles? Tesla. So the Tesla Model 3, yeah, it's Comfort and Uber Green. So if you want to do Uber Black, you got to drive a Model S, Model X, or a Model Y. But honestly, it's not bad at all. So kudos to Devin Morrison. And that's how you guys do it, guys. You got to drive a Tesla. He also got a ton of tips.
Yeah.
Without the tips, he would have been at 2,200. Just over, 2,200?
Yeah.
Almost $400 in tips.
That's crazy.
So, yeah, that's pretty freaking good.